everybody, how you doing? It's Justine and I'm here with a traveller's notebook scrap layout. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to call them. I think I need to come up with a name because it is a scrap layout. Anyway, I can't believe I marked where I needed to cut that doily. I don't know if do you guys do this? I always sometimes get in really fussy moods when I'm scrapbooking. It's crazy. But anyway, here's a little thing that I do sometimes. If I want to put on a label, and I like the label and that, but I don't particularly want the words that go with it, I use the word stickers to cover it up. See? It's genius, not. I'm sure plenty of people have done that. But yeah, so I really wanted to use this card. I love this saying. However, I just didn't want to use the card as like a blank sort of square card stuck on the page. So I decided it was hard. It was a bit scary because, if I didn't like this, I was kind of a bit stuck. But I decided to fussy cut out the words on there. And now I'm just playing around with the placement. I left it in for you guys to sort of have a look because, sometimes it does take a while to work out where you want things to go. And it took me a while. So, and here I'm sticking this down. Why am I sticking that down again? Did that run away? Did you guys see it run away off the page? And I'm just, sorry. Yes, lame jokes, always. And I'm just having a bit of a play around. This is a really simple layout. And that was the mood that I was in. I just wanted to go like sort of nice and simple and sort of plain, and yeah, I just think it's just the mood I'm in at the moment I'm just not really into really busy pages at the moment, so, and just more brave, cutting out. I liked the heart on this, but I didn't want to use it as a flag. How cute's that bird too? And yeah, so just sticking all the bits down. And here I wanted to add a little bit of colour in, so I'm using the vellum leaves from the flower pack that you get in the kit, and popping some, because you just can't have a layout without flowers, can you? Tell me, is anyone out there able to do a layout without flowers? Because I want to know how. I might make it a challenge one day to do a layout without flowers. I don't know if I could. It'd be like getting dressed and going out without wearing shoes. That's a really bad analogy. That doesn't make any sense. Oh dear. But yes, so I'm just fussing around here as I do, and using these butterflies. I wish I could, have 6,000 packets of these vellum butterflies. They're so pretty. And I don't know if you guys sometimes I find that the little word stickers aren't sticky enough, so I kind of stick them down and make them a little bit more, what's the word I'm looking for? A little bit more sticky. And I felt like it needed something. I felt like it was missing something on that little cluster, and I couldn't work out what it was. And then out came, that's the container I keep all my little wooden embellishments in, and out came the wooden embellishments, and it just gives it that lift. I really love my wooden embellishments. They really do just add that little extra touch to sort of break it all up. So that's my technical way of explaining it, by the way. And then of course I was determined to use this. I was determined to use that arrow, and it wouldn't be a layout without me getting out the watercolours. Once again, I just felt like it needed something. The layout's pretty much finished, but I just did feel like it needed, I thought it's a page about embracing the mess that you are, and it's a very neat put together little neat page. So I decided to add some good old splatters to bring out the mess. And yeah, I think it's finished. Really? Oh gosh. Finished again. Well, look, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. I do come back to the channel and have a look at the comments if you have any questions. And I will see you all next time for the next one. Take care. Bye.